Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to reset the maintenance required light. I have the ignition off right now. So what you have to do is you have to hold this odometer button. It has to be on to, you have to set it to trip A. I'll show you how to do this first actually, you know what, easier. So turn the ignition on, don't turn the car all the way on, just the ignition. And you're going to press this till you're at trip A. Turn the ignition off. So press and hold, and then you turn the ignition back on while you're holding it still until it flashes to zeros. That'll see the dotted lines. I can let go now. Alrighty, and then after you've done that, ignition back off, and then you turn the car back on, and it's all set. Like, comment, and sub. Thanks. Bye.